Hello lovers, welcome to my channel. So today I decided to show you what I do with the pieces of clothes around my house. I don't throw any pieces of clothes away. I play around with them to create something. So here I have just about 3 pieces of clothes to use and make this beautiful headband. The first one was about 38 by 5 inches, and second one was about 14 inches by 3.5 inches, and third one was about 16 by 3.5 inches. As you can see, after cutting them into pieces, I went ahead to use a small pin to hold them into place. Then for the longest one, I have to trim the extreme end just to make the mouth pointed. Likewise the other end. Just mark some inches from there and slant the line, then trim it. After that, I used my pin to hold them into place. Then I head over to the sewing machine. Trust me, even though you don't have a sewing machine, you can do this with your needle. I have done several of them with my needle when I had no sewing machine, but now I have sewing machine. So to make things easy, I headed over to my sewing machine and I stitched the end from the first one, second one, and the third one. You have to stitch them right side facing the right side. So after stitching, you go ahead and turn them into the right side. It's as simple as that. Even though you don't have your sewing machine, go ahead and use your needle to do so, and trust me, it will come out very fine. As you can see me doing, I'm trying to flip it over to the right side. You can use your pin, you can use anything that will be comfortable, maybe a broomstick or anything. Flip them into, then the smallest one, the shortest one, I went ahead to put a rubber band, 1/2 inch rubber band that is about 4 inches long. So after putting the rubber band, make sure you use your pin to hold it into place so it doesn't fall out. So after that, I went ahead to sew the two ends with the sewing machine. Then that is all for that. That will serve as the band at the back. So make sure you stitch them very well so it doesn't cut. You can see there, you can see it's drawing, and I love the effect. So now for the longest one, also go ahead and flip it to the right side, like turn it. You sewed it right side facing the right side, so after that you have to make sure you turn it so you get the right side, and that is what I'm doing. So you have to follow up. Is as simple as that. These headbands that are so beautiful, you can use them to complement your dress, you can use them to go to church, you can use them to go to anywhere. They add beauty to your dressing. It's not only done with Ankara, or we can use any type of material to do this. You can use your satin, you can use your crepe material, you can use anything to do your headband of different styles, not just one style. So you can see I'm also trying to turn the last one to the right side, and that is all. So after that, I went ahead. The shorter one will be going through the longer one. You get? So the way you put rubber band inside the other shortest one, you are going to use this one now, then pass it through the longer one. Yeah, we are not putting rubber band on the longer one. When you put rubber band, it's going to be very tight, and that might give you headache. So we are going to use this one to pass it through the longer one, as you can see me doing so. And That is it. After that, don't draw it too much. Make sure you use something to hold it into place, like hold the two ends so the material you pass through doesn't fall out, and that would give you an extra stress. So you don't want to go through that stress of trying to pass it through the material again. So try to adjust it to the length that you want. After adjusting it, hold it into place so it doesn't fall out. After watching this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you very much. This baby girl is trying to grow, and I know that one day we'll get to where we are pursuing. Thank you very much for always coming through for me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for liking my videos. And those that don't like my videos, please try to like my videos. And for those that have not subscribed, please help me click the subscription button. Subscription is totally free. Totally free. It doesn't take anything from you. It's not the one that if you click subscription your money will go or anything. No, it's totally free. Please help me subscribe to my channel, like my video, and comment. If there is anything I'm doing wrong, please help me comment it on the comment section. I'll take correction. So we're almost done with the headband. After passing that one through the longer one, then hold the three pieces together, the extreme ends, hold them together very well, then stitch the both three ends. Whether you use your needle or you use a sewing machine, all will come out very well. Stitch them very well so it doesn't cut. Likewise, the other one, hold it very well, set it very well, then stitch it again. And that's basically all for this headband, guys. Headbands are very beautiful, like I said. So go ahead, even though you are not a tailor, you are not used to sewing, you can do this. And that's basically all for this beautiful headband, guys. This is as simple as it looks. So thank you very much. If you have watched this video till this end, thank you so much. Please try to subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment, and give it a thumbs up. And remember to turn on your notification button so whenever I post a video, you get notified.